Do you have information that you need to keep a record of, such as client names, what work you've carried out for them, what your costs were, what their budgets were, and what was actually spent? Or like me, you might want to keep a record of the training courses that you've delivered, who to, how many trainers were required, what their costs were, or if travel was needed. If any of the above sounds familiar, you need to come to my Excel budget tracker masterclass. Hi, my name's Sharon and my company is SG Webcraft. We are a fractional IT consultancy. This Excel tracker masterclass will show you how to enter and lay out your data, how to add formulas, how to format your data to make it easier to view, how to group rows so that you can collapse and expand information that you don't always want to see. And it will also show you how to create a summary page that will show you just the specific information that you want to see. If you'd like to come along, visit my website at www.sgwebcraft.co.uk/contact and let me have your contact details. An email address and your name would be great. Keep your eyes and ears open for more information coming soon. Bye for now.